Alright guys, let's do a room tour of 2462 aboard the Carnival Freedom. Thanks for my door opener for me. Of course, in the back of your door is your safety instructions. It's good to have, but hopefully you never get to use it. Get your light switch for the room. Alright, and we have a little of a hallway here that leads to our ocean view room. It's kind of a sideways ocean view. Get a lamp that has a plug and 2 USB ports. That's awesome. Light switch over the bed. Another lamp, sure, with the same thing. Then we got our vanity. Swing it around here. We got 1 American, 1 European, your phone, and since Celebration Key opened just over a week ago, we got the map and the guide to paradise. Got towels, stool, waste bin, of course, room service menu. Got your remote for your TV. It is a little bit smaller TV, but you're not here to watch TV on a cruise, so. Then we got a safe. It's the old card style that you guys swipe a card in to use. Got 4 drawers. First one has your hair dryer, and the rest should be with the laundry if you use the laundry, which we will use probably tomorrow. And the drawers. Then we got a cooler in here. Can never remember which way. Oh, got it. Got a cooler for our waters that we have right here. There we go. An overview of the vanity area. Got 2 windows in this room. And love there's so much space to walk around in this room. Got our bed set up for a king. Could be 2 twins if you need. And here's the other lamp. Yep, same. 1 American and 2 USB. I should clarify, the USB, one's a USB A and the other one's a C. Then we got the closet area. That's behind door number 1. We got shelving, and you could actually change these if you need to. You could pull these up with this tab. You could make it not a shelf anymore. And a full-length mirror. Door number 2 has your life preservers. Hopefully you never have to use them. Hangers and our backpacks. And door number 3, another hanging closet. There's a little shelf there. There's plenty of storage here. Now the bathroom. So your light switch is out here, and right above is a thermostat, which it seems like it's a newer style thermostat, so that's neat. And that quick cool. We're in port today, so we're not gonna get that quick cool quite yet. And of course, the bathroom is your normal Carnival bathroom. You got a waste bin, sink. You got 6 shelves altogether. And we all know what that is. And there is a shaving / beauty mirror here, and a charging port for a shaver if you need it. And your normal bathroom with the shower curtain. And the line to hang your wet bathing suits if you need it. And you got your shower gel and your shampoo. Yeah, that's pretty much it for the bathroom. But yeah, it's a pretty nice spacious room. And I'm in the one corner here by the closets, and there's a lot of room. And that's it, guys. That's the room tour of 2462 on board the Carnival Freedom. If you're interested in booking the Freedom or interested in this room, contact me down below. I am a travel agent and I could gladly help you with any questions that you may have. Thank you, guys, and we'll see you on the next excursion.